Welcome everybody back to Small Bee Acres. In today's video we're going to show you how we're going to build a chicken tractor. I've never built a chicken tractor before, but how hard could it be, right? So I'm going to go out and cut up some lumber. We're going to cut up some 2x4s, make 2x2s, and from the 2x2s we'll make a frame, and we're going to rescue some tin from an old mobile home that's on the yard here. We're going to see if we can build this with things that we find here and see how far we get. Hopefully we don't have to buy too much, but we're going to see what we can rescue from here. So come along, let's do it. So I've rescued some 2x4s, some short ones, some used ones from the barn. It's got a few holes in it from being used, but chickens don't care. So what I'm going to do is I've ripped them into 2x2s already. I just got to cut them to length. These are going to be the uprights, so we need them for 2 feet tall. Just measure them out for 2 feet. For my braces after. So lay them out. Okay, so we have the frame built. The frame is just need to put on the tin and the hardware cloth, and we're ready for our first batch of chickens. But the mosquitoes are getting really bad out here, so that's going to be it for today. Have a good night. Okay, I'm standing here in the back of this mobile home, and what I want to do is I want to rescue some of this siding. I want to rescue it, and I want to put it on the top of the chicken tractor, and the color is nice and light, reflect a lot of sunshine. Keep it nice and cool under there. Also it's aluminum, so it's nice and light, which will make it easier to pull along and to move it every day. So I'm just going to pull off another sheet over here. So I'm putting the hardware cloth on the outside here. I'm stapling it on with my little stapler. And we're going to bend over the top here. here. Comes open like this. See the handle here yet? This locks it in place. Hopefully it doesn't open. Open that up. Open this up. Take care of the birds. And then when it's open, you can see where everybody is. Take this along. Pull it forward. Everybody's good. So close it back up. Lock it up and we're done. Hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, God bless.